In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the stem and leaf plot using Excel. This is a great way to visually organize numerical data. In here, bad news is Excel doesn't have to build a stem and leaf plot option in the insert menu. So let's check this, and if you click any options here, you can't find any options in order to create the stem and leaf plot directly. So, but the good news is we can manually create one using Excel sorting or formatting tools, making it look clean and professional. Before we make the plot, we need to organize the data in numerical order. So let's do that now. Highlight the column containing your data and click the data and sort function to arrange the data in ascending order. So then now you will see this, and our data set is neatly sorted and making it easier to organize into stem and leaves. So next I'm going to extract the stems and leaves here. So in order to do that, first I will name these two columns as a stem and leaf. So then click here to start the formula. So I will type the equal sign. Then in Excel we can extract the data values from the text in left function. I will type the left, then double click it, and then click our text and comma. You have to enter the number of digits or number of letters you have to extract from the cell. I want to get as a stem, I will get the 1, then just enter it. Then we have to copy this formula for all the way down to until the entire data set. I will copy it, first clicking on this cell, then drag from here to until into the entire data set. Then you will see that we get the stems, but when we go to the last couple of data points, this is not as we expected. We have to get not the 1, it's 10. So then I will change this formula, the left formula, to the number of digits we want to extract as a 2. Then enter it. I will get again copy until here. Then I will get the 2 digits extraction from left, and then go to our data set. If you see that the stem means what is as example, so if you get the 27 mean our stem is 2. So if you go to the 52 cell, it's our stem is 5. So if you go to the 123, more than 100 numbers, so we see only we should get the not 1, we have to get the beginning 2 numbers, it's 12. So now we have our stem values. Next we will extract the 1's digit from right to the form the leaves. In order to do that, I will click the first cell from this column, then type equal sign to start the formula. Then in here Excel we use the right function. I will type right, double click it, then I need to enter the text. I will click the text here, then comma, type the comma, then I will type the 1 because we have to extract the 1 digit from the text and from right. So then enter it. Then you will see that we got the leaf from the first text. Then I will copy the formula down to apply the entire data set. To do this, highlight it and drag to the down until cover our entire data set. Then you will see that we got the leaf for each the text. Now we are structuring the stem and leaf plot. Before we format the plot, let's organize our data properly. So first we have to list the distinct stem in the separate columns. In order to do this, if you see this columns, we have a duplicate stem. So I will use this column to list our distinct stems. So I will type here first 1, and then I want to record until 14 stem, distinct stem. So I will formulate this cell as like previously we did, equal, then first click this value and add 1. When we get the number 2, then you can drag it to generate the distinct cells, but you will see that we have a 60, but we need only until 14. So then after that, we have to arrange the leaf. So to arrange the leaf beside their corresponding stems, I will record here like as a cell. In order to do that, I will type here the 7 and 8 for the stem 1. We have 2 leaves, 7, and I will input here 8. So then the stem 2, we have from 0 to 9 leaves. I will record here exactly as how it's here, 0 and 3, 4, 5, 5 and 6 and 7 and 9 and 9. So for the 3 we have a 0 to until here leaves. Then I will record here 0, 0, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 5 and 6 and 8. And for the number 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 6, 9, 9. So then number 4, we have until here to here stems. We have to record here, here, and this is number 5, 5 stems, 2 to 9. So I will record here number 5 stems, 2, 4, 5 and 9. Then number 6, we have 3 stems. I will record here 8 and 9 and 1. No, we don't have 1, only 3 stems. Then number 7, we have 3 and 5, 5, 6 and 8. Also number 8, 0, 1, 4, 8 and 9, 8 and 10, 4, 9 and 11, 4 and 12, 3. And number 13, if you see that we don't have a number 13 leaves, so then we don't record anything. Number 14, we have only 8. 8. So now we have a structured table for our plot. Now we are going to make this plot, it's visually appealing. In order to do that, I will make the border to these columns, and I will click my data and go to the home and click the border and select the right border option. Then you will see that we make the border here. and then I want to make the cell width, it's shrinking, so I will do that. Then it make more appealing, like the stem and leaf plot. I will arrange a cell width like this. So then after I like to align the data properly. In order to do that, and I will select the entire data plot and go to the home button and select the center. Then it makes us the visualization. It's clearly as a stem and leaf plot. Then I need to input this plot for legends. So in order to do that, I will go to this cell and I will type here like one example and one data from the data set. It's like 83. If you get any number, it's fine. So I will choose the 83. How you can get this stem and leaf from 83. You have to divide like this, and 83, then showing that its meaning of this is 83. So you can write here, it's explaining 8 by 3 means 83. Then we format the text for readability. So now anyone can, looking at our plot, will understand the structure instantly. So this is how we make the stem and leaf plot. So why we did this, especially when you have a data set, we can see the distribution behavior using the stem and leaf plot. And thank you.